on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just actually came to Copart in Macon, Georgia to pick up our next build. So stay tuned to see what we got. Alright guys, so this is what we bought. It's a 2014 Polaris RZR 800S. This thing's already got the lift kit and everything done to it. It has some plastic damage right here, as y'all can see. It should be a very easy fix. And it has, I believe, a spindle that's bent. You can see the wheel's caved in a little. So once we get it to the shop, we'll address that, see how bad the damage is. But other than that, this thing is sweet.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, so we finally made it back to the shop. So we're going to try to start it and unload it. So let's get to it.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, there should be a little latch right here. There goes the battery right there. I'll try to start it. Brakes. It runs, guys. Started right up.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, so before we end the video, I want to go ahead and disassemble the back to see what kind of damage it did and see what parts we need to order so I can go home and order it tonight. So before we end the video, let's tackle this and disassemble it, and so we can see exactly what kind of plastics we need. So let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, so I disassembled the rear plastic and I did see what plastic pieces I need, which I need the tub and the rear taillight plastic, which I'll go home and get on the internet and try to find it. We'll do a little quick walk around. This thing does have the high lifter lift kit already on it with the Fox shocks. It's pretty nice. It has the SSV Works system underneath the speakers and everything, so that's pretty nice. And I did see it has, you can see it's lit up. It has some LED system on it. The previous guy put it all on. But other than that, it's pretty nice. I love it. Hopefully it has the front bumper as well. So they did steal the winch, so we'll have to get a winch on it. And other than that, that's about it. Just a bunch of plastics, and there's a little, let me show y'all a piece on the frame that's bent. Y'all can see the wheel, it's a little pushed in. On this side, it's probably hard to see. Yeah, you can't really see it. Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can point it out. Right here, there's a little crease from the wheel. I guess whenever it rolled, it flipped right on the wheel. And there's a little crease right there. I'll show y'all better pictures and video of it whenever we get it on the frame machine to pull it out. So that's about it. It's gonna be a wrap for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We're gonna have awesome things gonna come towards this thing. We're gonna do pretty cool things. We're gonna actually put it to the test, drive it, and see how well it does. And we have pretty cool builds coming to the channel, so stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, follow us on Instagram for sneak peeks, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.